In this video, I will show you how to organize assets and templates in Motion Array on your computer. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from Guidewise. Create a new folder on your desktop and name it Motion Array. In that folder, you will then create subfolders for different programs or editing software programs that you use. So I use both DaVinci and Premiere Pro, so I have created 2 subfolders. In those subfolders, I have then created more folders for the different elements that I have. So for Premiere Pro, I have logos, intros, and music. And in those files, I have all the elements that I use and need. So now when I'm using Premiere Pro and I need to find a logo, it's easy for me to find by simply going into Motion Array, Premiere Pro, and opening my logo file, where I will then see all the different logo templates. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.